Fireflies AI is an AI meeting assistant built to, do the busy work of note-taking. Instead of typing during calls, Fireflies automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings across Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and more. One of its standout features is the AI-powered summary, which breaks conversations into key points, tasks, and decisions. It also integrates with over 50 apps from Slack and Notion to CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, making it easy to push meeting notes directly into your workflow. Users appreciate its automation and time saving. Many say it's like having a personal assistant who never misses details. However, some mention that the transcription accuracy can dip with background noise and that the meeting bot joining the calls sometimes feels, weird. Pricing starts with a generous free plan that you can see right here. You get unlimited transcription, limited AI summaries, and 800 minutes of storage per seat. You get a lot of features right off the gate. However, the paid tiers unlock unlimited transcription, advanced search, and much deeper integrations, making it scalable for teams of all sizes. Overall, Fireflies AI is a powerful tool for teams that want more than just transcripts. It turns meetings into structured, actionable notes. If you want to save hours on recaps and focus on decisions, it's one of the best AI meeting assistants available today.